Hello, we're going to go over question 19 that appeared in the Foundation GCSE Paper 2 in November 2023. I recommend pausing the video after the question is shown so you can try it yourself. Then play the video again to see the solution and where the marks are awarded. This is question 19. We're given a diagram that shows a quadrilateral and an equilateral triangle. We're told that sides CB and DE are parallel, and we're given angle AED as 132 degrees. We're asked to work out the size of the angle marked X, and we must give reasons for each stage of our working. Pause the video, attempt to answer the question, return to play the video to see the solution and where the marks are awarded. Welcome back. The first thing that I notice is that we've been given BCD is an equilateral triangle. For an equilateral triangle, these three sides are the same, they're equal, and these three angles are also the same. So we can say that angles in an equilateral triangle are equal. And this means that each angle will be 180 shared between the three angles, and so they are each 60 degrees. We're also told CB and DE are parallel, which means we can use the rules for parallel lines to find this angle here. We can see that following the line BC and then going across to get to the parallel line DE creates the alternate angles for here and here. And we know that alternate angles are equal, which means that this angle here is also 60 degrees because it is the same as this angle over here. We can then see we have the quadrilateral ABDE, and we've got an angle of 132, 60, and this right angle here, which is 90 degrees. And we know that angles in a quadrilateral sum to 360. And so if we remove the 132, the 60 and the 90 from 360, this will give us our angle X. And so we will find X is equal to 78 degrees. This is a 4-mark question, and to get all 4 marks, we need to state some of the reasons. 1 mark is given for stating that the angles in an equilateral triangle are equal to 60 degrees. Another mark is given for finding this angle here. The other 2 marks are for finding the final answer, but also for stating 2 reasons. One of these reasons must be relating to the parallel lines. So I stated that alternate angles are equal. And another reason must also be given. So this could be the angles in an equilateral triangle are equal, or the angles in a quadrilateral sum to 360. So your other 2 marks are for the reasons and the correct final answer. I hope you found that helpful.